How to repost full long reels on Instagram story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now head over to the Reels section. Here, if you want to repost a long reel on your Instagram story, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's say this is the reel that you want to repost. Tap on this icon. Now, if this reel is less than 60 seconds, you can simply tap on Add to Story. And here you can see the reel has been simply posted on your Instagram story. However, if the reel is longer than 60 seconds, then in that case, you want to tap on copy link. Now close the Instagram app and go to your Play Store. Here you want to download an app called Repost for Instagram. So I have downloaded this app. You can choose from any of these apps and then download it. Once you have downloaded the app, tap on Open. Now you simply want to tap on the video and now tap on Add to Story button. Once you do that, the reel is directly going to be posted on your story even though it is longer than 60 seconds. Or you can post it manually after you have downloaded the reel on your device. And this is how you can repost long reels on Instagram story. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.